How many of these Americans and British words do you know? Write your score in the comments. Apartment. He lives in an apartment. Flat. He lives in a flat. Yard. The cat is playing in the yard. Garden. The cat is playing in the garden. Faucet. Turn on the faucet. Tap. Turn off the tap. Trash can. Put it in the trash can. Bin. Put it in the bin. Trash. Take out the trash. Rubbish. Take out the rubbish. Closet. The jacket is in the closet. Wardrobe. The shirt is in the wardrobe. Dresser. He kept his money in the dresser. Chest of drawers. He kept his money in the chest of drawers. Flashlight. I want to buy a flashlight. Torch. I want to buy a torch. Pants. I am going to buy pants. Trousers. I am going to buy a pair of trousers. Sneakers. I am wearing sneakers. Trainers. I am wearing trainers. Sweater. She has a sweater. Jumper. She has a jumper. Vest. He is wearing a vest. Waistcoat. He is wearing a waistcoat. Diaper. The baby is wear a diaper. Nappy. The baby is wearing a nappy. Pacifier. Where is pacifier? Dummy. Where is dummy? Zipper. The zipper is broken. Zip. Zip is broken. Bathrobe. He is wearing a bathrobe. Dressing gown. She is wearing a dressing gown.